the video. We're still in the old season of videos, so I'm gonna tell you guys when it's not in the old season. The video. Make sure you hit the bell with the likes. Go to my channel if you haven't around and leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite part of the video was, and turn those bell notifications on. Oh, and sorry in the last video, what's going on? Was it so addictive? Cause it was so addictive to me. I said, what's going on? Anyway, this video is called Helicopters, am I right? You'll see. Enjoy. What, Winnie? Sorry, that was my cooking dog. When I was about to make a call. And it was when I was about to make the call. Oh my god. I was calling Lester and look what happened. As soon as he answered. Anyway, that was Helicopters, am I right? Enjoy. Make sure you hit the video with the likes. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite part of the video was, and turn those post notifications on. Peace out. See you in the next one.